Welcome to our series on digital marketing trends for 2025. In this series, we'll explore the latest trends and strategies that will shape the digital marketing landscape. Let's dive in. 1. How is artificial intelligence shaping marketing? AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's the backbone of successful marketing campaigns. AI helps businesses analyze customer data, predict behaviors, and deliver tailored content. Why does AI matter? Consumers now expect brands to understand their preferences and deliver personalized experiences. AI-powered tools make marketing more efficient and scalable. How to use AI in marketing? Predictive analytics. Use platforms like Google Cloud AI to forecast customer needs and behaviors. Personalized content. Tools like Jasper AI can help you craft messages tailored to individual customers. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks like email campaigns and social media scheduling. What are the results? Higher engagement rates due to personalized messaging. Streamlined operations, saving time and resources. Increased ROI from targeted campaigns. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more content like this. See you on next video.